This 2023 Winnebago Travato 59GL is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, skylight, awning, smoke detector, stove-top burner, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, TV, Colorado detector, air conditioning, and 18 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2023 Winnebago Travato 59GL is built on a ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.